Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here. Now this video is the continuation of the Teclast F7S unboxing video. Like I have mentioned in the previous one that I will be reviewing this very nice, very professional looking laptop, and it's cheap. Okay, and by the way, just in case you are interested in purchasing one of these, I have included in the description box the link where you can purchase. Okay, so please use the link down below so that at least I'll get a little something from the purchase, or but when you made your purchase, I'm getting just a little bit of percentage on that amount. Okay, just a little help. Okay, now moving on. This laptop, the Teclast F7S, is one of the cheapest laptops that you can buy in the market. Okay, and but the big question is, considering that this is a very nice looking laptop, it's made of metal, very professional looking, a little bit heavy on the weight department, but it looks good. But the big question is, can it hold up to your day-to-day requirement on your work from home or online schooling routine? Okay, that's the big question that I will answer later in this video. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed yet here in my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's down there at the bottom. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button as well. Okay, so to answer the question, first, my experience. Right after the unboxing last time, and I was about to set up the Windows 10 experience, or the Windows 10. During the process, I was stuck on the create your account part, on that part, when I logged in or input everything, every information that I need to input. It was stuck in creating your account and stayed there for several hours, literally. So I lose my patience. I remove or reformat this and remove the stock Windows 10 and reinstalled a new version. A different version, or the one that I downloaded from Microsoft. The good thing is that when I have it reinstalled, and it setup went smoothly, and automatically the Windows 10 is activated by itself. Okay, now question, what it's like in experiencing or using the Microsoft Office suite, using Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. I think it's very snappy. Not the fastest experience, but it works. You can use it. It's usable. And even my wife is using this to edit some pictures, and she has no complaint. I did not receive any complaint that it slows down or it's a bit jittery. No, it works. And she also used this for when she did an online interview using Zoom, and she said that everything's okay. And based on my experience as well, when I tried to use it, tried to edit a short video using Filmora 9, I was able to edit using just a basic edit, basic transition, and a little effects. Okay, I was able to edit it without any issues. There is a little bit of struggling when I was trying to, when I put a lot of effects and adjustments on the video, but just a basic one, just a simple cut and cut, paste, and then the transition. Filmora 9 works really nice. Also another open source software, or video editing software. It's a non-linear video editing software, which is Olive. Works well with this laptop. But if you're going to edit let's say a 10K, sorry, a 4K video. No, even 2K resolution or 2K resolution YouTube video, it's not playable here. Okay, the low res video YouTube video, Netflix, you can use. Battery life is very nice. It lasts roughly around 7 to 8 hours in full charge, using just a basic browsing the net while watching YouTube videos and Netflix. It lasts the whole day. It's good. I did not install games on Windows using on this one, because I think that because when I tried to what do you call this? When I tried to use multiple applications like Microsoft Office Suite, and then I open up VLC, I open up another application, I open up GIMP, it struggles a little bit. So what more if I'm going to install games with this CPU intensive and GPU intensive as well. So unfortunately, I did not test the games in here. You may see some YouTube videos where they installed games on this one, and they said it's playable like the Grand Theft Auto on the low settings, the very low settings, with some jittering. It's okay. But in this one, I did not, because my purpose here, the reason why I bought it, and by the way, thanks again to my little sister Arma. Thank you for this one. Okay, so what I did is I've also tried installing or dual booted this with Linux operating system, and the distribution of my choice is Pop! OS, because Pop! OS is the one that I use is very low resources, and that's my favorite one. Okay, and on that system I tried installing Steam and Steam games. So I installed Tank Force, which is my favorite. It works on Linux, Mac, and Windows, and even on mobile phones. So I tried installing it, and it runs very smoothly. I'm getting around 20 or 30 frames per second, and it's playable on this laptop. Now, my opinion is that if you're going to use this, if you're looking for a cheap gaming laptop, this is not it. You need to look for a different laptop, and you needed maybe a different higher level budget. Okay, and on Linux it runs very smoothly. The problem I encountered was that the first boot, the Wi-Fi was not recognized, or the Wi-Fi card was not recognized. I need to use a USB dongle to update the firmware and install the Realtek Wi-Fi driver, and then after that it was able to detect the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth on this unit, and everything works smoothly. Now, speaking of smoothly, the stock Windows 10, when you try to use it here, it's a little bit sluggish. Okay, now on my next video I'm going to show you a little tweak on Windows 10, so that you can make your old laptop, old desktop running Windows, even this one, performs a little bit snappier. Okay, so watch for my video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, okay, click subscribe, click the notification bell for that, so that on that next video you will be notified, because the tweak or the modification that we will be doing on your Windows 10 will make it a little bit faster. Okay, now, so there you have it, and I believe that's it. If you have any other questions with this laptop, okay, don't worry, feel free to comment down below at the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer all these questions for you. Okay, so, and by the way, shout out to one of my friend, which is Kads. Okay, ingat ka dyan, ha? And pagbutihan mo sa work mo. Yan na, shout out na kita. And to Chef Anthony Alabata. Okay, mali yung picture, teka palitan guys. Kamukha kasi yung Smoky Manaloto yan eh. Idol ko yan eh, okay? So Chef, ayan na, oh, shout out kita. And to Ma'am Honey, which is a legit online seller yan, okay? Ma'am, 12,999 lang for your online selling business. Maganda to. Battery life is good, and I mean the finish and the build, ma'am, okay to. Highly recommended for online selling, but not for gaming. Okay, so there you have it. That's my video and review for this Teclast F7S, and see you in my next video.